in a Greek household.
Some people, as kids, we also hated it, right? But as grown-up Greeks, we love Fακές. Fακές is a national Greek dish. It's a lentil soup. We're going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. A couple of tips so you have the best Fακές that you can serve to your family and your friends. You still love Fακές?
Oh yes,
Right.
Fακές. It's not a swear word.
No, no, no.
It's a Greek dish.
Oh yes. Let's make some Fακές, a Greek lentil soup. We're going to place our lentils in our pot. We're going to cover it with water. And the trick, we're going to bring the lentils up to a boil, and then once it's come to a boil, we're going to dump the water through the strainer. That's going to remove the gassiness of the lentils. Okay, the water's come to a boil. Now we have to strain this. There we go. And back it goes. And now we can add the other ingredients for our Fακές soup. The rest of this recipe is quite easy. All we were doing is we're adding all these ingredients into the pot. Okay, our onions are in. There's about 4 small cloves, like 3 large cloves of garlic. If you want more garlic, go for it. So smash them so we can chop them up nice and easy. All right, into the pot goes the garlic. Let's work on that bell pepper. Okay, red pepper in. Let's get our carrot going. Alrighty. I'm going to add our 3 bay leaves, our sweet paprika. Now our tomato sauce, 3/4 of a cup. And now olive oil, so just about a 1/2 cup. When you're making any sort of soup, you should always start with cold water and then bring it up to boil. There's 4 cups. And looks like this is going to go right up to the top. There we go. And now our soup's going to go back on the stove. Yeah, medium-high heat's good. Our lentil soup has come to a boil. Let's lower it down to below medium. There you go, medium-low, all right? This is going to need about 35-40 minutes. Our Fακές are ready. Look at this.
Looks great.
And now we're going to put the finishing touches to the Fακές. The heat's been turned off. Our vegetables are tender. The Fακές have cooked through. Some more fresh minced garlic. To taste, okay? I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. Salt to taste, okay? Remember, when I first started with this Fακές dish, we didn't add any salt because if you add at the beginning, it can actually harden up your lentils. 4 pinches of salt, which is probably about almost 2 teaspoons. And another thing I'm going to add here is the dried Greek oregano. It's about a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons, we'll add 1 more. There we go, okay? Now it's really smelling like Fακές with the rigani.
It smells so good.
Here we go. A touch more salt, but we're there. 1 more teaspoon and we should be good. Voila. Fακές, Greek lentil soup is ready. Let's get some crusty bread. Pour in some bowls and try this yummy dish.
Let's do it.
All right.
Wow. This is the best Facές I've ever eaten.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. My mom's recipe. It's got to be good. Lentils are super healthy for you.
I love it. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Can't wait for the next dish.
Oh yes, 2 Facές.